that's additional kind of resistance. As you can see, TDST resistance line, come on, right here is 930.17, and it moved above once, it moved second time, but the thing is, the position, if should I have short position based on a weekly chart, will not be closed until it cross corresponding TD risk level, which is 981.13. That's pretty wide range, so no leverage, please. At the same time, you see this diagonal kind of line. What that is a long-term extreme trend line. Market fell off, never penetrated it. Finally it did, and it fell all the way off the cliff. So I'm using it kind of as a reference line. Right here you see TD supply line is been redefined based on weekly close. So probably if we're going to close somewhere below, well, if we're going to be able to stay under that supply line next week, the bear case is not lost. Also, as you can see, this week is marking, what is that? That's probably 8. I cannot get it. Sorry. Okay, this is 8. This is 8. This is 13. So after 8, normally very sudden changes happen. Here is another beautiful messy chart. RSI, as you can see, still not able to cross 62 bull market territory. Attempted to do it here once, stick to 62, couldn't do that, sold off. Went very close to bearish. So this is really no man's land, and no wonder why everyone is surprised. Where the hell is going to go, up or down? I don't know. What I do know is that sell setup is in progress. Of course, it might be cancelled, and it's still under TDST resistance line 942.45, closed twice under the line, tried to pocket once, couldn't do that, closed below even without attempting to cross it. I think just slightly touched it, which is not a good symptom for bulls. If this is a reference low of March lows and June 11th high, that would be, the blue line would be TD, come on, TD magnet line, 944.89, and S&P has not even touched it. Once again, the tendency is to close multiple times very close to TD magnet line. Unless we're going to have explosive move Monday, Tuesday, bear case still stands in my books. And finally, not that I believe it, but a lot of conversations about head, well, shoulder, head, shoulder. The deal is right shoulder should not be above the head. That condition still holds, and this is asymmetrical, head and shoulder, if this is what it is, and low trend line goes down about 10-12 points range here, and this is blue trend line over the shoulder, so it is about 10 points difference from here. So we're pretty much still in this pattern. Once again, I'm not a big fan of a lot of traditional patterns, especially on a scale lower than a weekly. So now we're looking again at US dollar index futures, and bottom line is more than market itself. I will be watching dollar auctions. That's a target I had for a few weeks right here. I don't know if we're going to try to move slightly below or not, but at the moment dollar is going to move up, I'm going to feel much better about my shorts and going to stop hedging with any longs and go all in short, obviously. More S&P 500 and Nasdaq. Well, good night, trade well, David DT, Trading-to-Win.com.